What is up, everybody? I'm Turtle Toes, and welcome to the Try Not to Laugh Challenge number 2, where you were to once again enter your dark spirit. So no matter how good your life is right now, screw you. How about that? Now I'm gonna win this time, because Turtle Toes, legitimate Turtle Toes, can't laugh. Ever thought of that? You get it. Don't laugh. You laugh, you lose. This is a full 14-minute video, by the way. This is a full 14-minute video. I'm just gonna do one full 14-minute video. Oh, spider, ew. Oh. You got a little baby one.
This recreation identifies how witnesses say the bear escaped into the woods.
Very accurate. Come on, why isn't the person with the star gonna hit him? Dude, just my luck, man. You're gonna wait for another one?
I'm the worst dish in this competition so far.
Gus, I'm a grenade.
Okay, the first clue is that it is something to eat. No, it's not a cookie. Okay, the second clue is that it is something round. No, it's not a cookie. Third clue, the color of this thing is orange. No, it is not a cookie! No, it's
Sounds
not
like
a
Sam.
cookie! What? How can you give up? It's something to eat that's round and orange! It's an orange! It's an orange! Of course it's an orange! I just told you it was an orange! No, you don't get a cookie!
This is a
Even the baby.
Look at this. That is so great.
So in tasting, what we do is take a small amount right off the top. It doesn't take much. That's the warmest part right here. I'm going to invert the spoon. Cover all 9,000 taste buds. Aerate it. Warm it up. Driving up that top note. That cream. Pure vanilla. Sweeteners. That's a 10.
Do you think you did this enough?
Barnacles! What could be worse than a milk?
Oh, I know.
Don't say it, I'm sorry, I know there's a lot of commentary because I'm scared to talk.
Birdies and 4 and a 5-hole stretch turned around for you today.
Yeah, that was kind of the difference. I got off to a slow start, but I knew that
Owen Wilson and Steve Buscemi, I think. A cat would just be like,
sta nevicando tantissimo. Vai Pancino, fatti una corsa. Pancio?
duh.
Don't do that! Stop.
You're a lizard, Harry.
I'm a what?
A blizzard. A lizard, Harry.
I'm a what?
A blizzard. You're a lizard, Harry.
I'm a what?
A blizzard.
I'm a what?
A blizzard. A blizzard.
Oh no. I know I haven't been talking a lot. I'm very sorry. I've been recording for like 10 minutes and I haven't said anything. But literally, I'm just trying not to laugh, actually, so. It's me when I first started using SFM. Ah, oh, so cute! It's so cute! No, stop it! You're hurting it! Whirlpool! Why are you still running? Rape! 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 Okay, you get it.
Dun 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 dun. Yeah! Good answer.
What the frick?
It's not Leviosa, it's Leviosa.
It's me every time I get out of bed in the morning. What did you eat for dinner, bro?
Where are you going?
2, 1. Oh, where's the wheel? Where's the wheel? Oh my god.
Oh!
Their mom's gonna kill them.
You're a lizard, Harry.
I'm a what?
A blizzard.
Okay, I know, I'm sorry. I know I haven't been talking a lot this episode, but literally, I've just been trying to enjoy the summer. But I know, it's over. I guess it's over. And, okay, yeah, I laughed. Oh man, it's probably a failed recording. I don't even know if I'm gonna upload this. But if I did, well, hi there. How are you? I'm Turtle Toes. I sort of have no soul. Anyway, comment down below if you thought this video was boring, and if you laughed, because if you think that you didn't laugh, I once again doubt it. Because Turtle Toes, in real life, literal turtle toes can't laugh. Take that into science. That's it for this episode. If you enjoyed, ninja kick that like button while you're at it. Grab a slice of pizza by hitting that subscribe button. Come on, day. And I'll see you all in the next video. So everyone's ready? Ninja Vanish.